What up, interneting people? So, that's a nice little classic machine there, isn't it? Quite enjoyed building that. But, moving on to the wild. You are looking at some of the wildest mountains in the north of Thailand. This is actually the Pai Valley. And I've been extensively mapping, tracing and repairing some of the most wildest trails you could ever wish to ride up there. You might think I'm bullshitting, but hold on. Because there's some of the 780 odd pins that I have dropped whilst out riding around on that lot. But you don't really want to stare at pins on a map. What we do need to stare at are the two weapons that you need in order to go out there and enjoy the wild. So, welcome to the stable. This one here, the first one, is Hardcore Henry. Now, Hardcore Henry is a 9-year veteran of being thrown around in the wild. This bike has really served me well, trust me. It's a proper beast now, being a 301cc, full conversion. Everything's new and been done properly, and I know it's been done properly because it's been done by me. And I happen to be Tom. And the Trail King is my game. So, Hardcore Henry, all up and ready to go. 301cc. The bike is height adjustable quite easily, so I can raise and lower this bike to accommodate people with long or short legs. I happen to have short legs, so don't think I'm being leggist. I'm not very tall. So, this one, solid, dependable, 301, kitted out with all the right parts, all the right protection. I've even made 10mm thick brush guards here, so it can withstand falling down quite a lot. And that one has done 41,000 kilometers now. Over here is the new entry to the stable, Lightweight Larry. Now, Lightweight Larry is also a CRF250, but Lightweight Larry has got some love thrown upon it. Lightweight Larry is also a 301. Everything's brand new. The valves, the springs, the piston, the cam, everything, the crankshaft, the bearings, the gearbox. It's all brand new, everything. There's no point in messing around. You just put brand new stuff in and then it doesn't break down. So, along with all that brand new stuff, we cut a load of it out. I can't remember how many kilos I've cut out of this bad boy, but there was half a kilo there in subframe. That's gone in the bin. There was 400 grams saved down here by replacing the spacers inside the wheel and everything with aluminium instead of steel. Anything else that I could cut off and have replaced with aluminium was replaced with aluminium. I cut a whole load out of the frame. These aluminium spacers in there on the engine seat, they used to be steel, so we've saved a couple of 100 grams on them. I even saved 480 grams by getting rid of the metal of the ignition switch. Switch gear and wiring, that's all gone. That was well over a kilo. The headlight was a kilo. And there might be like 0.2 grams of weight on the Trail King sticker there, but I am the Trail King. Look at that. All nice and neat and all tight. Normally that sticks out about 3 feet from the forks there. But no, it's all tucked in tight. Took me only 3 days to get that clock bracket modified, which I did. I saved half a kilo on the clock bracket, would you believe? So, Öhlins suspension in this bad boy. Yes, we've gone the full 9 yards. We got the 300 wheels. We've got the stainless steel radiator guard in there, which put a bit of weight back on, but you need those things. And we're nice and tall at the back here with the YSS. Oh yeah, baby. This one is a full-on beast. I've only done 32 kilometers on it, so it needs a bit more running in yet. And one thing you will also notice about Lightweight Larry, when you look at Henry over there, Henry's got his regular saddle. Larry's the same but different, as they say in Thailand. Yes. I've extended the tank on this bad boy, so you can just ride and ride and ride. I mean, I got 245 kilometers out of this boy yesterday. This one should be good for 300. Anyway, same trick. 10mm brush guards, folding levers, everything you need. Step back sort of focus. These two are up and ready for riding. So if you fancy riding the wild, hit me up with a message. You can also find me with all the information on how to carry out these conversions and any other maintenance on my Facebook page, which is Honda CRF250L 300L Tips and Tech. Come on out to the world and enjoy yourself. I shall be. Later.